Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to update Kraken Wallet app. So updating the Kraken Wallet application is very important if you want to access new features and smoother performance. Also, if you're facing any error in the Kraken application, that might be fixed by updating. So in order to update the Kraken Wallet app, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the search option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Kraken Wallet. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Kraken Wallet, Crypto and NFT. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. I'm being able to see the open option over here because my application is already updated. In case your application has not been updated, you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once the application is updated, you'll be able to find the open option. That means your application has been updated and you can use the latest version of the application now. So that is how you update Kraken Wallet app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.